giving you a trick question here. It's most likely a question that you would find in your multiple choice. And if you think about it, to an extent, it might be a problem. If you don't get it in the first time, like if you don't get it from just reading it, you're most likely gonna, struggle in terms of it. But going forward, this is me trying to prevent that from happening. So yeah, it says that a child bounces a ball on a pavement, right? The impulse generated is 2 Newton seconds. So what is impulse? Impulse is this particular thing, F net multiplied by change in time is equals to change in P. So either one, these two, they represent impulse, but mostly selectively we only represent impulse in terms of the units of net force and time, henceforth this, right? And yeah, the impulse generated is 2 Newton seconds during a time of contact of 0.01. What is the magnitude of the net force, right? So you'll get you get to see why this could be a why this could actually evolve into being a trick question. So you have yourself F net is F net change in time is equals to change in P. We're using this particular question because we're talking about impulse, right? So if they're telling you that you're supposed to find this, um, and then they've given you this, and then in your equation you have this, most likely if you're not going to get it the first time, you were thinking that, well, maybe I'm supposed to be getting this, but if I get this, how am I going to work with it, or even how do I get this? But the idea is you don't really have to get it at all, because since this is equal to this entire thing, all you have to do here is just come and say F net, right, change in t is equals to 2, right? Because this is impulse. This is equal to impulse. And so this is your answer, right? Well, your way to your answer. But then change in time, you have this. The time of contact is 0.01. Henceforth, F net 0.01 is equals to 2. And your net force, quite clearly, it's going to be 200 newtons. Right. So here's another way. Here's a just yeah. I don't really. This is perfect. This is perfect. Hope you understand it.